Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out our video. I get this question sometimes where people ask me, why do you say there's no maintenance on a Tesla when there is? Well, they're not wrong, but they're also not right either. Let's get into it. All right, so you may be wondering why some people say there's no maintenance on a Tesla. Some say there is. So I do get that question sometimes on why do you say there's maintenance? Why do you not say there's maintenance? Because some people think there's zero. Some people think that there still is. And in a way, they're both right. So the Tesla, for example, I have the 24 Model 3 Highland, and I've not had any maintenance cost on it yet. Zero. Now, there is some things you could do over time, and there is an actual maintenance book, as with any other car there is. There's going to be a little bit. So, cabin filter, for example, you're going to have to change it after a while. Another thing people don't realize is your tires still need to be rotated. So, which mine is due for that. I'm going to do that, and I'll have a video on that as well. But I'm going to have to rotate my tires. So you still have to do that. Now, a big piece that people don't realize is the brakes. Well, it's got regenerative braking, but some people don't like that. Some people turn it off. What happens if you turn off regenerative braking? Well, if you turn it off, you're going to have to replace your brake pads. A lot of people don't realize that. And brake pads are expensive because everything on a Tesla is expensive. So to repair, that is. Now, if you are hitting your brakes, your pads are hitting, you're not using the actual mechanism that's built into the car to rebuild the energy level to the battery. So regenerative braking isn't working. I know people who've had Teslas since they first came out have over 100, over 120,000 miles on some of these cars. No, one guy specifically that's got a Model Y for, I think he said he's got 105, maybe 110,000 miles on it. Never had to touch the brakes, ever, one time. He's never had to replace his pads. So that's a cost that a lot of people don't realize is going to be there. If you do not use the car as designed, you're going to wear your brake pads out, and you're going to be replacing brakes in the same amount of time that you would in any other car. Maybe 40,000 miles, 30,000, depending on how hard you're hitting your brakes. So yeah, you'll have to replace your brake pads. And your cabin filter, you should do that. You don't have to do that, but you should. And then as far as anything else, something's going to have to break. I mean, the headlights, the taillights, they're going to last for a really long time. You don't really got to worry about those going out. Your biggest maintenance that people miss is the tire rotation, though. Every 5,000 miles, you should be rotating your tires, and a lot of people miss that one. Rotate your tires. That's going to be your maintenance cost right there. So, and it's not included in the car. If you can do it yourself, great. You do have to pop off the centerpiece there, the hubcap center. You do have to pop that off. And once you pop that off, you could then get to your lug nuts to get the wheels off the car and rotate them. But other than that, that's all the maintenance there really is. Now, I may have missed it. If I did, let me know in the comments below. But quick video because I keep getting that question a lot about maintenance. What do you got to do? Now, there is there is a little bit of oil in the car, not motor oil though. You got to think about it. You got your brake fluid, for example. Again, that goes back to if you're hitting your brakes. If you're not using regenerative braking, it doesn't matter. And there's some type of oil in like a hydraulic system or something like that. For oil levels, like in the Cybertrucks, I'm sorry, they have that because remember they got the air ride where you can raise and lower the car. So all of those things have oil in them. So on the Cybertruck, there's going to be a little bit more with that because the Cybertruck's got the all-wheel steering. It's got the air ride that goes up and down. It's got a lot more things going on with it. So you may have a little bit more maintenance there that you have to do over time. But as far as like a Model 3 or a Model Y, goes, your only maintenance cost really is going to be the rotating the tires, keeping up with your tires. You still got to replace your tires every 40,000, 50,000 miles, depending on the type of tires you get. So other than that, there's no maintenance cost. That's it. Get in the car, charge it, go. That's it. Take care of the car, do what you're supposed to do. It'll run forever, supposedly. We're going to find out because we're going to, put it to the test. But anyway, make sure you thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, of course. And if you're new here, check out the rest of my videos. Stick around. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back and watching our video. If you have any comments, anything I missed with the maintenance pieces, let me know in the comments below. If you've experienced any other maintenance stuff that I may have missed and you have a personal situation you dealt with that, let me know that as well. So, like I said, this is my first Tesla, but here we are. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.